Welcome to Dino Easy English. Dino quickly opens window leaf curtain inside tree bedroom. Oski folds travel cloth near wooden table downstairs room. Dino carries small bag toward door while Oski watches path. Dino ties rope sandals beside entrance wooden porch. Oski lifts hanging basket from wall peg near stairs. Oski hands basket to Dino and points forest trail. Dino steps onto dirt path under bright canopy light. Oski closes wooden door and checks rope ladder knots. Dino waits near tree roots as Oski joins beside him. Dino starts walking along a narrow forest path toward flowers. Will they reach the flower field before sunset? Oski walks slowly along path, holding hanging basket. Dino follows behind, stepping over small roots carefully. Oski moves leaves aside at narrow bamboo passage. Dino squeezes through tall grass path, holding basket strap. Oski points toward flower signs tied on branches. Dino nods and walks toward brighter, open area. Wind moves leaves across path near Dino feet. Dino stops and clears leaves using both hands. Oski waits beside log bridge, watching Dino cross. Dino steps onto wooden bridge, moving toward flowers. Do they cross the bridge safely? Dino walks across bridge, holding side rope carefully. Oski follows behind, stepping slowly on wooden planks. Dino reaches ground and looks toward wide flower valley. Oski climbs down bridge slope, carrying basket steadily. Dino moves along curved path beside bright bushes. Oski adjusts shoulder strap and walks after Dino. Wind shakes tall grass near narrow turning path. Dino pushes grass aside and continues forward. Oski steps over flat stones near field edge. Dino stops at flower field entrance and waits. What do they see inside the flower field? Oski walks into flower field carrying basket slowly. Dino follows and touches tall flowers with hands. Oski places basket near flat stone in the clearing. Dino walks around stone, watching many colorful petals. Oski kneels and opens basket beside stone surface. Dino picks small flowers and puts them inside. Oski stands and points toward higher flower hill. Dino walks up gentle slope between flower rows. Oski follows behind, stepping carefully over stems. Dino reaches hilltop and looks across field. What will they do on the flower hill? Oski sits on grass near hilltop clearing. Dino places basket beside him on ground. Oski takes cloth from basket and spreads carefully. Dino arranges flowers in small line on cloth. Oski points toward glowing sky above flower valley. Dino sits and watches moving colors across clouds. Oski lifts small fruit from basket and holds. Dino takes fruit and keeps it near flowers. Oski stands and looks toward lower field path. Dino rises slowly, preparing to walk again. Where will they walk after the hill? Oski lifts basket and walks down hill path slowly. Dino follows behind, stepping between flower rows carefully. Oski stops near small stream beside field edge. Dino kneels and touches water surface gently. Oski places basket on flat stone near stream. Dino washes hands and stands beside stone. Oski fills small leaf cup with water. Dino takes leaf cup and holds carefully. Oski points toward return forest path entrance. Dino turns body and begins walking toward trees. Will they reach home before night? Dino walks under tall trees, holding leaf cup carefully. Oski follows, carrying basket along shaded forest path. Dino steps over small roots near dark bushes. Oski moves branches aside to clear narrow way. Dino crosses shallow stream on flat stones slowly. Oski walks behind, stepping onto each stone carefully. Dino reaches bamboo passage and pauses beside entrance. Oski adjusts basket strap and enters bamboo tunnel. Dino walks through tunnel toward distant warm light. Oski exits tunnel and looks toward home hill. Can they reach the house now? Oski walks up hill path toward treehouse slowly. Dino follows, holding empty leaf cup carefully. Oski climbs rope ladder onto wooden home porch. Dino climbs ladder behind and steps onto porch. Oski opens wooden door and enters inside room. Dino walks inside and places leaf cup on table. Oski sets basket near wall hooks and turns. Dino sits on bed and removes rope sandals. Oski pulls leaf blanket over Dino gently. Dino lies still while Oski closes window curtain. Did you like their sunset trip?